Welcome to the 10th video, the 10th.
Alright.
Number 10.
Alright, our next puller will be Melinda England.
He has the green light. Green flag.
Alright, that's Melinda England with a bull at 267.43. 267.43.
Please stay tuned for number 11.